start.
Michael.
Spring cleaning. That time of year again. I'm michaeln, Professor of Cleaning the Martians. Thank you. So in this series of 5, or if you behave well, 6 videos, I'm going to talk about your spring cleaning for your personal life and also for business and corporate and team life. And the first thing is about strategy. Strategy can get really complex, and I want to give you 3 steps, just 3 steps for strategy making. The first one is identify your biggest challenge for this year. With all the change that's been happening around us, we need to rethink our strategy. So number 1 is your biggest challenge. Number 2, what is the field you're playing in? So look up field you're playing in, geography, or maybe the marketplace, maybe your competition. That's your field. Identify your field, define your field. Third step is your strategy, meaning your plan and the policies around your plan. A strategy is not only the plan, but the policies around it. So 3 steps for your strategy. Now that everything has changed 2025, the first step in spring cleaning is your strategy. Identify your biggest challenge. Number 2, the field you're playing. And number 3, the policy and your plan. So I'm michaeln, Professor of the Universe, Cleaning the Martian. Thank you.